Good afternoon, children. Hope you all are fine. Today, let us revise the topic common factors. Factors are numbers we can multiply together to get another number. When we find the factors of two or more numbers and then find some factors are the same or common, then they are the common factors. As you already learned about factors, factors are numbers we can multiply to get another number. നമ്മൾ രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് വേറൊരു നമ്പർ ആൻസർ ആയി കിട്ടും. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് എ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ്. നമ്മൾ ഏതൊക്കെ നമ്പേഴ്സാണോ പ്രോഡക്റ്റ് കിട്ടാൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്തത് ആ നമ്പറിനെയാണ് ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുക. ആ നമ്പേഴ്സ്. ഓക്കെ. Suppose we are taking 6 as 2 into 3. 2 multiplied by 3. 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Okay. When we find the factors of two or more numbers and then find some factors are the same. When we are finding the factors of two or more numbers, then we are getting few numbers as same or common. Then they are the common factors of the given numbers. Let me explain this, children. Here we are finding the common factors of 12 and 16. Okay. Our first step is you should find the factors of 12. Factors of 12. As you already learned, start with 1. 1 12 is 12. 2 multiplied by 6 12. 3 multiplied by 4 also 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Then the number 16. 16. 16. 1 into 16. 2 into 8. 4 into 4. These three pairs are the factors of 16. 1 into 16, 2 multiplied by 8 and 4 multiplied by 4. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4 and 16. Okay, children. These are the factors of 12 and these are the factors of 16. Here some numbers or some factors are common in both. First we have to find that 1, 1. Circle the common factors. 2, 2 and 4, 4. These factors are common in both. These numbers are same in both. Okay. These are the common factors of 12 and 16. So which are the common factors? 1, 2 and 4. These are the common factors of 12 and 16. Okay. Let me repeat this, children. Here we are finding the factors of 12 and 16. First find the factors of 12, then find the factors of 16. Here these numbers are, that is 1, 2 and 4 are common in both, are same in both. So the common factors of 12 and 16 are 1, 2 and 4. 4. Okay. Let us do more examples, children. Here in this question, we are finding the factors of common factor of 10 and 22. 10, 10 and 22. First we have to find the factors of 10. 10. 1 10 is 10. 2 5s are 10. Okay. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Next, find the factors of 22. 1 into 22 and 2 into 11. 1, 2, 11, 22. These are the factors of 22. Okay. 1, 2, 11, 22. Now we have to find the common factors. Common factors, as I told you, common factors are the factors which are same in both. So here 1 is common, 2 also common. Okay. So here the common factors are 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay. Common factors of 10 and 22 are 1 and 2. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. The factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22. Okay. So the common factors are 1 and 2. Our next question is, we are finding the factors of 18, 6, 32 and find the common factors. Okay. First find the factors of 18. 1 into 18. 2 into 9. 3 into 6. When we multiply these three pairs of numbers, we will get 18. So these are the factors. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Okay. Next, factors of 6. 1 into 6. 2 into 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 6. Next, factors of 30. 1 into 15. Sorry children. Sorry. 1 into 30. 2 into 15. 3 into 10. 5 into 6. When we multiply these four pairs of numbers, we will get 30 as answer. Okay. So the factors of 30 are 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now we have to find the common factors. Common factors. 1 is common. Circle the common factor. 2 is common. Then 3 is common. And 6 also. So these are the common factors of these numbers 18, 6 and 30. Okay. So when we are finding the common factors of a group of numbers, first find the factors and circle the factors which are common in all the numbers. Now children, we are going to find the factors of 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 is equal to 1 into 3. So the factors of 3, 1 comma 3. Okay. Then 5 is equal to 1 into 5. So the factors of 5, 1 comma 5. Now children, we have to find the common factor here. Common factor. 1 is the common factor. Okay. So common factor of 3 and 5 is 1. Common factor of 3 and 5 is 1. Clear? Now let us do one more example. Find the common factors of 10 and 11. Here 10 is equal to 1 multiplied by 10. and 2 multiplied by 5. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. Okay. Next is 11. 11 is equal to 1 multiplied by 11. Only one pair of number. So the common factors of 11 are 1, 11. Now find the common factor. Which is common in both? Only 1. Okay. No other factors are common. So the common factor of 10 and 11 is 1. Okay. So children, factors are numbers we can multiply together to get another number. When we find the factors of 2 or more numbers and then find some factors are same, then they are the common factors. Okay. So for finding the common factors, you find the factors first and circle the numbers or factors which are common, that is which are same in the given numbers. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you children.